What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how you can get the Marni Devotees Mace and Crimson Desert. Before you continue, make sure to have a mask ready since we'll be stealing the item. You can loot one from bandits, or you can easily buy a mask from the back alley shop southeast of the town of Hernand. The gold and dark aesthetics on this one would definitely catch your eye. Even though it's got no Abyss gears, the 3 vacant Abyss gear slots are still free to customize. And it still packs a whopping 23 points in attack with a level 1 critical rate. You can get this weapon in Delesia, inside the heart of it as well, which is the Delesian Castle. When you reach the castle gates, don't rush in or the guards won't be so friendly. Open your equipment wheel first and equip your Vision. This will convince the guards to let you in. After you cross the bridge, turn left and move towards the other side of this tower's archway. You'll reach a dead end, so turn around and face the wall of the archway you just went through. This is where you make your way up until you'll see a balcony. Get on top of that balcony, and on this corner right here is the mace just sitting there. This is where you equip your mask and steal it. Wait for the crime meter to go down before you escape and enjoy your new weapon. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.